Today, we uncover the lethal hiccup that claimed a life in the 1500s. Picture this. England, the early 16th century. A man, plagued by persistent hiccups for over a year, finds himself in a dire predicament. Now, hiccups are usually just a minor annoyance for us, right? But back then, with medical knowledge more mystic than scientific, this poor soul's ceaseless hiccups were not just irritating, they were life-threatening. Imagine the scene. His body strained day after day, month after month, as local healers likely concocted bizarre remedies ranging from fright methods to herbal concoctions, all in vain. Like and subscribe to Pseudo Lift for more.